Hello guys and welcome back to this new video. So I just decided to make this video because there are a lot of people now talking about BTC, new all-time highs. I actually didn't upload the day of new all-time high. So you already know I'm bullish. I sent over to Telegram what I really think could happen, but I want to explain better, okay, my scenario and what I'm thinking right now. So starting from a monthly, this thing just looks like Tesla. Just look at Tesla for a second. Yeah, exactly. It's just looking like Tesla on a monthly. So let's come back to BTC. So on a monthly, I mean, we're bullish. I've been bullish for the past few months. Now we have actually made a new all-time high past this week, 19.8k almost, and yeah, I'm bullish. But the thing is that right now we are trading in uncharted territory. So here we have more data, okay, but that's all we have on BTC. We just have 10 years of historical data. But the thing is, BTC, as you already know, I'm stating the obvious here, but BTC has never traded above this level, okay? So now what could happen? So let's go back to this chart right here. Let's go on a weekly time frame. Actually on a daily, so you can see it better. So right now I actually sent this chart over to the Telegram. We are on this channel. We broke up this channel. We have never retested on a daily, but also if you look at this trend line, okay, we have this first target, and here I told you 23.8k. This seems to be the top, at least for now. Of course, I'm not saying short the market, absolutely no, but the thing is, we may see a retracement, which we did. Actually, I was expecting a retracement at least to this yellow trend line, so a nice little retest like this, okay, from 23.8, retest here, and then going higher, which did not happen. Bulls are in total controls, bears are getting wrecked. So let's see the liquidation, guys. So actually we have more buyers than sellers. Obviously more people are longing, but I want to see the liquidation. The total liquidation 24 hours are, if this loads up, almost 60 million longs liquidated in total in the last 24 hours. Shorters, of course, 91 in total. But I mean, we are experiencing a lot of volatility. Again, we are in uncharted territory. So technically speaking, we do not have, if you go here, we do not have any resistance. But this does not mean BTC is just going higher from here without retracing. We will have pullbacks, and we know BTC goes up fast, but it also comes down even faster. So do not forget, this is a volatile environment. So too much talking here. Let's say what I'm expecting. So for now, coming back to what I said earlier, we have this trend line, so 23.8k, and we're actually tapping it again at 24.1, 24.2, actually the new all-time high. I mean, there is a new all-time high every day right now. So here we haven't retested the trend line, but we actually held at 22k almost on the 0.382 fib retracement. So right now 25. If BTC kind of starts going sideways, we could tap 25, then stay flat, then going higher again. I mean, we could do that, but the thing is, people that are shorting right now are getting wrecked because the volatility is insane. That's why we have a lot of liquidation. If you go on CoinFarm.online, you can actually see that basically the majority of people, at least only 24 hours, are longing. Of course, there are some crazy people shorting, and I kind of get it. I mean, we need to retrace. I mean, it's pretty normal, but that's a bull market. I was expecting a retracement down here, but didn't happen. We had it here, because in a bull market, you may have the retracement here. It does not actually need to go to the golden ratio level. Okay, so the thing you want to see is exhaustion. Okay, you want to see, since we are in uncharted territory, you want to see exhaustion from buyers. Okay, so you want to see overbought indicator, and in those indicators you want to see divergence and clear divergence on multiple time frames. So for example, actually for example on the 1 hour time frame, let me fix this. Okay, we also forgot to mention, we broke out of this triangle, and maybe we will come down here, have a little nice retest. Okay, of course, like this, retest, boom, going higher, 25k. Also that is a possibility, or we can just go higher from here. But again, time will tell. These is just possible scenarios that could happen. The overall thing here is that we are bullish, at least I am. But the thing you want to have a look at is divergence. Okay, so pull out your MACD, your RSI, and look for divergence on multiple time frames. For example, here we actually have an higher high, but we have a lower high here. So that's, technically speaking, a bearish divergence on a 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we actually want to see this kind of thing on multiple time frame. Okay, technically in a 1-4 daily, that's enough. Okay, 1 hour, 4 hour daily would be absolutely great to see. Okay, at least as an indication of where we may go next. On the 4 hour, on the other hand, it's too soon to say if we have any divergence. Okay, because for example here the MACD hasn't crossed bearish or bullish yet, and again we do not have clear divergence on the 4 hour, and also on a daily time frame. These suggest we may have still room to grow before a pullback. If you pull up the RSI, again you can see on a daily, this time not on the MACD, but here you can see on a daily, again we do not have clear divergence because these could still go up. Okay, when you will see these coming down, okay, you may say, okay, we have a divergence since here the price is lower and here is higher. Okay, hence bearish divergence. Okay, so but again here it's too soon. It's too soon, guys. Just keep an eye on RSI and MACD for divergence, guys. Again, an overbought, you just need to look for divergence. An overbought RSI in a bull market doesn't mean anything, okay? Because as you can see, actually, I don't know why, but let me pull up Tesla again. Let's see here, bullish. Everyone's shorting here because it's an overbought zone, got tracked, okay? Also, here, overbought, shorting, not a great idea. Okay, and also you can go on a daily, just look at Tesla on a daily here. Okay, so overbought zone, oversold zone, yeah, you can have a look at those, but they are not as important as divergence on a chart. Okay, so again, have a look at divergence because they're really important. So I don't particularly like indicators, okay, because you need to focus on price action. But when you are in this scenario where you do not have data because we are in uncharted territory, so the only thing you can say is time will tell, like I always say. We can also say that also on the 1 hour we have this bearish divergence, and we can actually say that here at approximately 22k, which we tapped 2 times, actually 3 times if you count this one, we are forming a kind of support, okay, at 22k. Again, I'm bullish, we just need to wait and see what happens next, okay, because again we are in uncharted territory. I also posted this on Telegram, okay, about the BTC dominance stopping this kind of level and dropping from here. So actually technically I'm bullish on altcoins, always been okay. And on a weekly time frame, actually I don't know why the TradingView didn't save this, but look at this level, okay, this 66 level, this red line. A lot of times we have tapped that, we got rejected. That is good for altcoins. So right now, actually posted this chart, it was 66.10. Of course BTC started rallying, and of course the BTC dominance is increasing, but that does not mean we are not bullish on alts. I'm actually stuck in my alts and waiting, because again, these prices for me, as for some altcoin projects that are highly undervalued, at least in my opinion, are still cheap. So guys, hope you enjoyed it. Also, lastly, we are having, if BTC price stays at this level, 24,000, we will have the first ever gap at 22.8, almost 89k on the CME futures. So also keep an eye on the futures, RSI, MACD, look out for divergences, and of course, if you want to stay up to date, just join the Telegram. It's free, link in the description. Also, you can grab the ebook on the website, also that is free. And for as the course is concerned, guys, sorry, I will update also the course and record also other lessons. Thank you guys, see you in the next one.